children. Yes, thank you,
And
Marlene.
in fact, at Ejabing, so what the family court was doing was when they made orders for maintenance and the respondents refused to comply, they just transferred it to me under Section 59. And they would have such quick payment because when they realize that they could be convicted, they would rather pay than to be convicted. So there are many ways of, especially when you are dealing with maintenance and when you are dealing with provisions under the Children's Act, there are many ways of going around it.
Killing the stubborn cats.
Yes. I always say, don't let the court be a toothless bulldog, because the court can only make orders. The court cannot come and enforce the orders for you. No. You have to initiate the enforcement process using the court, but we cannot enforce it. And always be guided by Order 101, which directs that you must ensure you do not unnecessarily put expense on your client. So if there are things you can do, which many criminal cases, the cost involved in prosecuting in a criminal matter are way lesser than in civil proceedings. So if there's a remedy for you under criminal law, which you are assured of getting your payment, always go there, Section 59, and you will get your remedy.